You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. This is also the name of a character from Hamlet, William Shakespeare. If you want to learn more names from Shakespeare, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll definitely want to hear and learn from. Horatio. Two slightly different pronunciations for the first syllable, her or ho. Alright? Horatio. Horatio. Stress on this re syllable. Can also be pronounced as Horatio. Alright? Now in Latin it would be pronounced as Horatio, but Horatio in English pronunciation. And now you know how to pronounce Horatio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.